If you want to rotate in Photopea using a shortcut, whether it's a single layer, a text box, an object, or even just your canvas view, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest Photopea rotate shortcuts, how to use them properly, and a quick pro tip that makes your rotation much cleaner and more precise. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Let's jump in. First, let's rotate a single layer or selection. This is the method you use when you want to turn an image, a shape, a text layer, or any selected object inside your document. On Mac, press Command plus Option plus T. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Alt plus T. This activates Free Transform, which gives you the controls you need to rotate the selected item. Once Free Transform is active, look at the corners of the bounding box around your object. Move your cursor just outside any corner handle until your pointer changes into a curved arrow. That curved arrow is your signal that rotation is ready. Now click and drag to rotate the layer to the angle you want. If you want more control, use the Shift key while dragging. Holding Shift snaps the rotation into clean increments like 15 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees. This is especially useful when you want your design to look balanced and aligned without guessing the angle by eye. So if you're rotating text for a thumbnail, moving a logo, or straightening an element in your layout, that Shift shortcut can save a lot of time. Now here's a quick workflow tip. If you only want to rotate one object, make sure the correct layer is selected before you use the shortcut. That way, you don't accidentally rotate the wrong part of your project. If you're working with a selection, the same shortcut still applies, and Photopea will rotate whatever is currently active. Next, let's talk about rotating the canvas view, which is completely different from rotating the actual image. This is useful when you're drawing, retouching, masking, or working on detailed edits and you just want to tilt the screen temporarily for a better angle. To do that, press Shift plus R to select the Rotate View tool. After that, click and drag anywhere on the canvas to tilt your view. This does not permanently change your image, it only changes how you see the document while you work. That means you can make editing more comfortable without affecting the final output. If you ever want to return the canvas to normal, just press Escape or double-click the Rotate View tool icon to reset the view instantly. That brings your workspace back to its original orientation so you can keep editing as usual. So to quickly recap, if you want to rotate a layer or selection in Photopea, use Command plus Option plus T on Mac or Ctrl plus Alt plus T on Windows, then drag the curved arrow handle. If you want to rotate the view temporarily, use Shift plus R, drag to tilt the canvas, and press Escape when you're done. These shortcuts are really helpful once they become part of your editing routine, especially if you use Photopea for thumbnails, social media graphics, or quick design work in the browser. If this video helped you learn something new, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.